Our sponsor is SKF in Falconer, New York. They focus on the aero engine and gearbox market, where they produce cylindrical roller bearings, spherical roller bearings, and ball bearings. SKF would like to design a new warehouse system that improves safety and reduces the material handling costs. SKF has 2 warehouse locations within the facility. In each of those warehouses, there are 2 container types that store the material. These are stacked and stored on the floor, which leads to frequent material rearrangement. Currently, SKF's material handling relies heavily on forklifts, which frequently travel a quarter mile between the warehouses.
Based on the analysis of the current system, the group identified 5 forms of lean waste. Then, a root cause analysis was conducted on each form of waste in order to enhance our understanding of each problem. Then, a list of customer needs was gathered from the sponsor, and a list of metrics was developed in order to track improvements. Many concepts were considered as potential solutions. These concepts were compared using the developed metrics to determine the final solution.
So first of all, we consolidated the 2 warehouse locations into a single location, but in order to do that, we had to expand the warehouse to accommodate both the current capacity as well as the projected growth. Secondly, we decided to implement 2 types of racks, one for each of the 2 container types. From there, we decided to implement 2 different types of AGVs, one which would be the warehouse attendant, which will pick material off of racks and set it up to be delivered, and then another delivery vehicle which will take material to and from the warehouse.
We were able to reduce forklift traffic, which improves safety and reduced manual material handling within the facility. The warehouse size was reduced by roughly 50%. This opens up room for more projects and just general expansion. We were also able to reduce lead time for material movement around the warehouse, so from point A to point B, there was less time waiting for that material. Most importantly, we expect the annual savings to offset the cost of the project, resulting in a 1-year payback period.
Thank you to SKF for sponsoring this project.